Hello, fellow travelers. I was into transportation and formed horizontal monopolies by owning steamships and many railroad companies, including the New York Hudson River Railroad conglomerate. This lesson will illustrate a comparison between a monopoly and a perfectly competitive firm. If this monopoly were to become perfectly competitive with many, many firms, the demand curve becomes infinitely elastic. The monopoly produces at the profit-maximizing quantity where MR equals MC, indicated by Q sub M, and at a price of P sub M. The perfectly competitive firms produce at the profit-maximizing quantity where MR equals MC, indicated by Q sub C, at a price of P sub C. Notice the perfectly competitive firm's output is larger at Q sub C than that of the monopoly at Q sub M. And the price of perfectly competitive firms of P sub C is less than the monopoly price of P sub M. What a monopoly does compared to perfectly competitive firms is it reduces its output and raises its price to maximize its profits. In this situation, the perfectly competitive firm is earning economic profit equal to 0. But the monopoly's economic profit is greater than 0. Also, notice the consumer surplus of a perfectly competitive firm is greater than the consumer surplus of a monopoly. These examples are just a few reasons why consumers like it when there is more competition among firms compared to a monopoly where there is only one firm in the market. I wish you all safe travels upon the modes of transportation I became wealthy pioneering in America.